In this video, I will explain you how to do the assembly of gear on its shaft. Select assembly file, select OK. Insert component from file, select shaft, open. In Solidworks, whichever the part first you select, that part will be fixed and it cannot be moved or it cannot be rotated. Import second part, again browse. Now select key 1, open and place it on the graphics area. You can select all the components at a time or else one by one. I am going to show you one by one assembly. Go for mate command. First select the face of this shaft, key shaft, bottom face of the key. Select OK. Next step, select right face of the key on the shaft, right face of the key slot. Now it has been assembled. Next, in the side view, you can see it is not made. You have to make the faces to select the front face of the key and shaft. Now it is fully defined. Isometric view, select OK. Next, insert component from file, select key 2, okay, place it on the graphics area. Again select mate option. Repeat the same procedure as we have repeated for the assembly of the first key. First select the key slot on the shaft, surface of the shaft and bottom of the key. Now it is aligned. Next, select left side of the shaft key slot and left side of the key. Select OK. Next, select both the faces, shaft face and key face. Select OK. Now both the keys are fully defined. Next, insert component from file, browse, select gear 1, open, place it on the graphics area. Again select mate command. First select the outer diameter of the shaft and the gear face. Select OK. In the next step, select the right face of the key and again in the gear we can find the same right face. Select the face. Now it is aligned. You can see in the front view. Next, select front face of the gear and front face of the shaft. Okay, it is assembled and it is fully defined. How to check whether the component is fully defined or not? Go for rotate component, place it on the any of the component and try to move it or rotate it. It will show the selected component is fully defined. It cannot be moved. Check this is also fully defined. Next, insert component from file, browse, gear to open and place it on the graphics area. Now repeat the same procedure as we repeated for the assembly of the first gear. Select mate. Now select the outer diameter of the shaft and the inner diameter of the gear. Select OK. The next step, select the right face of the key, and here also we have to select the same right face. Now it is aligned. Okay. Next select both the faces, face of the key and face of the shaft. This is the simple assembly of gear.